Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. First things first, you can turn off comments on Facebook by adjusting the post privacy settings. Facebook's motive behind the new change is to give more leverage to users to control who can comment on their posts. With this new change, comments can be restricted on posts at an account level or even in individual Facebook posts. You have the option to choose who is allowed to comment on your posts from options like public, friends, and people or pages mentioned in this post. To disable comments on a Facebook post, open the post you want to restrict comments on. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select who can comment on your post and choose from the available option. For Facebook groups, often for posts that contain information such as group rules or posts that need to be pinned, it's advisable to disable commenting. Facebook gives you the option to disable comments for Facebook groups posts. To do so, you either need to be the person who shared the post originally or a group admin. If you qualify for one of those two categories, here are the steps to turn off comments for a Facebook group post. Navigate to for which you want to restrict comments and click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. Then select Turn off commenting. To undo this action, click the dots one more time and select Turn on commenting again. With this rule, comments on selected Facebook posts and ads should be turned off, while you can continue engagement on all other posts. Additionally, there can also be a review process in place wherein you can choose to auto-hide all comments on your Facebook or Instagram page and route them to a particular inbox. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.